The Klang Valley Mass Rapid Transit, or KV-MRT, is set to improve the city's transportation coverage for Greater Kuala Lumpur. The first line of the KV-MRT stretches from Sungai Buloh to Kajang and covers a distance of 51 kilometers with 31 stations. To avoid adverse impact to the city landscape, buildings and roads, 9.5 kilometers is being built underground.
Underground is absolutely essential when it gets into the city area because there's just no space to build the MRT. That's the best way to do it.
10 tunnel boring machines, or TBMs, are used to excavate rock and soil while building permanent walls at the same time. With extensive tunneling experience and technological expertise, MMC Gamuda is designing and constructing the underground works of the KV-MRT. Together with Herrenknecht of Germany, a new variable density TBM was developed to tackle Kuala Lumpur's challenging karstic geology.
So the early work they did in the smart tunnel, they learned a lot about the challenging subsurface work. And then with the German company, they worked together to develop this new methodology for doing it. That's a feather in the cap for Malaysia.
The first variable density TBM was launched by the Prime Minister, Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Muhammad Najib bin Tun Abdul Razak in May 2013.
Dan hari ini kita dapat menyaksikan pencapaian yang bermakna dalam perjalanan negara kita. Bukan saja untuk melakukan perubahan yang besar kepada sistem pengangkutan awam negara, tetapi signifikan projek MRT untuk Malaysia ditransformasikan sebagai negara berpendapatan.
Young Malaysian engineers are in leading roles.
I have to actually control the machine, manage the people, and running the full operation of the tunnel.
By July 2014, more than 60% of the underground works have been completed, with 5 TBMs breaking through.
We've brought the underground work to a very good pace. It's testimony to all the hard work that's been put in by the team, and we must continue with what we're doing and make sure that whatever that we have committed to the people of Kuala Lumpur and the people of Malaysia, these promises must be kept.
The TBMs have successfully mined through Kuala Lumpur's karstic limestone with significantly fewer incidents compared to the smart tunnel, and the project is on target for completion by 2017.
The machine has performed very well. Combination of machine, equipment and good people, it is an incredible achievement for the whole team, for the whole project.